talking out. Got a whole lot of words falling out, yeah, run your mouth.
Okay, so I already did my skincare off camera just to save some time. Also, I'm wearing colored contacts right now. I know it doesn't look like it. They are the Olens Glowy Eyeliner in black. And it just makes my iris a bit bigger. Next, I'm just going to color correct a bit. I'm gonna use this peach color first. And then on my dark spots, I'm gonna use the NARS Pot Concealer. Sleep early these days, so my eye bags have gotten worse, so it's important that I use a peach concealer to mask the darkness. Make sure to shake your foundation before using it because all the pigment's at the bottom. I'm gonna like thin it out a bit on the back of my hand just to evenly spread it around. Forehead and the middle of your nose, like that. Set the face now. I'm actually gonna use a little powder puff that I recently bought on Amazon. You're supposed to use it dry, and then I'm gonna stamp some of it off because we don't want our under eyes to be too dry. Before we set it, we need to get rid of any creases. Press it into your skin. You can see how blurred out it is compared to this. Eyebrows. Going to use my Morphe 305 palette. I've had this since like freshman year. I should probably throw this away. I'm going to set my eyelids. You can see I'm creating this shape. I'm not really putting anything right here. And I'm going to start this on my lash line, blend it upwards into my eyelid. Taking that same color, and I'm just going to go from the outer corner of my eye upwards. Connect this line to the ends of my crease. Take the shadow, kind of drag it out. Gonna smoke it out. I'm going to create that aegyo cell, the same brown eyebrow pencil I used earlier. Follow the natural curve of my eye and then slightly bring it upward. Use my finger to blend it out. I'm going to take a brown pencil liner to draw my eyeliner. I don't know if you can see the difference, but now that just kind of opened my eye a bit more. So there's that. I'm gonna take this one right here in the center of my eye, and then use my clean finger to just spread it around under my eye, right in the center. Mix this and this one, and then just put this in my inner corner. For the lashes, I'm actually not gonna put on any mascara. I'm gonna use these like individual lashes. So I just finished doing the other eye and I'm pretty happy about it. It looks really cute. Okay, so now we're gonna attempt to draw some fake lower lashes with a brow tint pen. And also filling in the spaces in between my lashes. Extend inner corner mascara. Ta-da! Oh, whoa. I don't know what I just did, but I think there's still some excess concealer on this brush, and I used that to clean up the outer edge of my waterline. And I guess this works as like an eyeliner too. Like if you don't have a nude or white eyeliner, you can use a little bit of concealer on a little flat brush like this. It just brightens that area. Life hack. I'm gonna use a mix of these two colors. Take this nude beigey color blush, kind of putting some under the eye, under my nose, on my chin, and a little bit on my temples. For highlighter, I'm gonna mix some of the glitters with this Maybelline eyeshadow, which also works as a highlighter. Spray my brush with a setting spray. Left, I'm going to put on my brow bone. I haven't put on highlighter like this in a while. I'm going to take some of this glitter and put this over the places where I highlighted. I actually want to put on some beauty marks as well, and I'm going to use the same brow tint pen that we used for our lower lashes. Blend those beauty marks out with some blush so it doesn't look too obvious. Now I'm going to take this NYX color and then I'm gonna take this Roman 0 velvet tint. I'm just gonna apply this on the center of my lips. I think I'm going to take this color to blur my lip line. So here's the finished beige makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Again, highly recommend these little powder puff thingies. I'll link them in the description down below. Also, not sponsored. I just really love these. So yeah.